Hello and welcome back to everyone that has been following this series. For anyone that's new to my channel and doesn't know who I am, well, my name is Jutin Al Ahmed and I've been conducting research by investing £100 or equivalent into Bitcoin since May 2024. The research is based upon what would happen if I invested £100 or equivalent into Bitcoin rather than the norm that society does, which is investing into a pension pot. Well, do watch my introductory video from May 2024 to gain a better understanding of the research that is currently being conducted. Anyways, let's not further delay and let's see what's happening to my Bitcoin investment. Has it gone up or has it gone down? Let's find out. Just before we jump in, just a quick disclaimer. I, Jutin Al Ahmed J bin Zala, I am no tax advisor, no legal advisor, no financial advisor, no registered advisor, no such thing. So do your own research. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. If you're new here, I just want to say please do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. It does help with the algorithm, helps me out a lot and I truly appreciate it. Let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste too much of your time with this update, but it's a good update. We'll see why. So last month, let's go over what I did, right? So last month, I'm already in the history there, but just so you know, I purchased, let's go into the trade section. I purchased 202,994 sats for the 100 after fees and stuff. I've already put in another 100, if you can see here. Sorry, that's going to the trade history. Yeah, so I've already put in another deposit of 100 there because I'm going to be purchasing obviously after I've created this video and stuff. So okay, that's appreciated. So 100's gone to 105. Let's see how much I actually have in total now, which is, I've just added it up here with the other bits that I had. Now I have 1,226,626 sats, and this is the reserve there, the 10-year DCA reserve. I've obviously, if you watched my previous video, I've transferred this over to a hardware wallet with a private key and everything like this. Yeah. Something, by the way, if you're into Bitcoin and stuff, or you're starting to get into it, look into something called multi-sig. Very secure, helps a lot of stuff out regarding security and prevention of theft. And even if somebody did try to steal from you, it's impossible because it's in like 3, 4, 5 different locations. But anyways, let's go back onto this. So 1.2 million sats is basically what I have now. I wanted to show you something before I move on to exactly what's happened and how much money it's gotten to, right? The 100 that I'm going to be purchasing now, right? So if I go into Bitcoin trade and then buy, it's what, 52,405 at this moment in time. I can only get 190,000 sats. That's crazy. It's already depreciated so much in the amount of sats that I can buy. So obviously sooner or later you're probably going to see it like 20,000 sats I can buy with 100. It's going to become crazy like that. But yeah, just so you know, today's date is, it's the 20th. I just need to double check. Yeah, so Sunday the 20th. So yeah, okay. Just so you're aware, I am obviously filming this a bit earlier because there's a bit of a personal thing that's happening next week, which I'm not going to have any time to do this. That's why. But anyways, let's go on to the coin market cap to see exactly what's been happening. So don't forget, I've put in £600 now. This is month 6, yeah. Month 6, I put in £600, is appreciated to £642 now. Excellent. It's going up slowly. Just so you're aware, what I personally think is it's going to continue going up for the next 6-7 months. And then I'm obviously going to be buying £100, £100 for the next 7 months. It's going to go up. Obviously, this is going to probably double, triple, okay? But then the bear market's going to start again, probably 2026-ish. And then all of this is going to go back down. So say I have like £2,000 or something in there. It's going to go down to like, I don't know, 1,500, maybe loss, but then I'm still going to be accumulating. And this is the whole DCA strategy, right? You accumulate when it's low as well, and it's high, doesn't matter, it should balance out. It's just a lower risk of way of investing. But anyway, so £642, it's saying here that I've got 1.225 million BTC, sorry, sats. But yeah, this application's a bit weird to track stuff, but the thing is, it's still accurate enough. That's why I'm using it. I probably will change this in the future because I'm trying to test other stuff, just so you're aware. But anyways, let's check over the last 24 hours. Obviously, it's not fluctuated much. Last 7 days, right? Bitcoin's been pumping, and yeah, so it's gone up to 640. And last 30 days, look here, that's a 40 loss, right? Or 30. Last 90 days, insane. Nearly, what, £94 loss there, 95 quid. But now it's up by 40. And the thing is, right, Bitcoin does really big moves at once, and that's what I believe is going to be happening soon. Obviously, as you know, the same financial advice, and this is solely for a research project and just to see what happens, right? But basically, I think in the next few months, this is definitely going to double, triple. And plus, we're putting in money every month. This is just a quick update video just to show you what happened over the month, what I purchased. Hopefully, you got a bit of an idea there. You can see what's happening. And as I said, if you are doing the same thing, do comment down below. I want to see what's happening with your stuff. Are you enjoying it? I think this is a very awesome research project. It's something that's going to give a quite good amount of data, especially in live data. Obviously, we can Google and see what's happened over the last X amount of time, but this is in real time. Yeah, I'm actually putting in money. I'm taking the risk. I truly believe in Bitcoin. I don't know if you do. If you don't, yeah, it's something to study for 100%. It's something that you should research, study. And hopefully that may open your mind. If you haven't noticed, I've also uploaded quite a few videos and content regarding fiat itself, and the fact that it just depreciates, and Bitcoin there's one way for it, in my opinion, and that's up. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed this update. Do subscribe, please, if you do want to continue watching me in this series. It's a whole 10-year series, as you can probably tell from the title. But yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.